Alright, so the battery is charged now. I've been working on the detector. You can clearly see how much better it looks now. Just look at how many connectors I've managed to place in here. I have the power here. This one with 4 pins is going to be for the LEDs. And for the lightning flash I did something really cool. I used there's some devices that where you don't see directly the LED through the front panel like this one, but rather they refract light through a piece of plastic like this one. And I found this, which is actually a protective cap for a VGA connector, and it fit perfectly into the space here. It was like, I don't know, a hundredth of a millimeter precision. It just perfectly fit in there with no need to, well, I used the hot glue to put the LEDs in place. Yeah, and now I'm just gonna wire everything up. This 4 connector is for the power and lightning flash LEDs. This one is for the buzzer. I kind of wanted to use some kind of connector for, given that I have, I might just do that. That I have these nuts here. I think I can use one of those round connectors. I don't know what they're called. Do I have some around here? If not, I know where. No, not in here, because there's still a long way until I'll have everything in one place. Nope. Let's see. There's a lot to dig through again. Just remove these. That's why I'm trying to organize everything, because it's a real pain to have everything in 100 places. Should be able to see what I'm talking about. There it is. Usually for grounding, one of these, and I'll probably slide it in here now, just to make everything as modular as possible. I don't know, or maybe I'll just solder this. Nah, I don't know. I'll just leave it here in case I decide to use it. The thing is, I was too lazy to screw the PCB back in, and I just used the hot glue, and since it's already stuck here, I might just solder that. Okay, but that's not the point. The big idea is have all the modules. If something goes wrong, or if you need to detach these panels, just simply remove the connector and that's it, and that makes life a lot easier. Right, I'll just keep going with the work, and hopefully get to show you a functional lightning detector soon. So yeah, I'll be back. This will probably be in the same clip. Alright. Well, hello guys. It's almost done. I am literally minutes away from putting this thing back together, and it's so cool that I thought it's a real shame for you to miss such an event, such a wonderful act of creation and engineering as this thing is. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see, I still don't think that's a bit better. It's just too nice not to show off what I've done. Everything here has a connector on each side. Everything is interconnected. This connector here, I could have used that, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, everything is now modular and has connectors. This is the volume potentiometer. This has a connector here. Boom, that goes in. These are the LEDs. As you can see right here. These go here. It's really loose too. I mean, the casing halves are a part of each other when you open it. You know, there are some devices that, you know, one of the panels just hangs from a wire and you can barely open it, and there's a lot of space in here even with everything interconnected like this. Right, so this need to connect this too. This is the speaker module that goes here. Color coded everything. Look at this, isn't this so much nicer than what I had before? Okay, the only thing left for me to solder is the actual antenna, which I've decided to solder. Like so. Make sure it's cool before moving anything because it can crack. And get this piece of wire and put it in here as a temporary antenna. And this should be it. Get my power cable here. Let's turn it off first. Yep. Just in time for the storms. Let me turn off the light and show you that lightning flash LED with the plastic that I was talking about. Let's zoom in a bit. Check it out. Oh, come on. See how bright that lights up, and you can see that whole plastic thing lighting up. I assume that's gonna be even better with the front panel in. So I did the testing, it works. Now just put it back. Make sure the casing is right. What's going on in here? Nothing important. Just the wires pressing against the lid. Oh, I need to place this down before closing. Everything fits. I can't believe I am doing the main screws here. I think it was this diagonal. The other two broke. I mean, those plastic shafts that are supposed to hold the screws have been absolutely demolished. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna grab the camera from the tripod for this. Hey, yo. Let's get the power cable. Turn it off. Power in. No! No, 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 no. What's going on? What is going on? There's something touching something else in here. Definitely what's going on, but what? Oh, I see. It might be the actual antenna. Where is it? Yeah, it's just fine now when I opened it. Can even turn up the volume. And that's turned down, I think. Oh, come on. Definitely works now. So, what's the thing here? Let me just put something on top of that antenna. Maybe some of this heat shrink. It doesn't really fit. Like a large piece. But it's still, you know, it's a 90-degree angle. I'll just cut it in half for half of the length. Well, let's see if this works. And just slide it in. Let's see what this does. It burns me. Get the power cable out. We don't want to fry it on day one. Get the other side. I don't even have a heat gun. Tools are expensive out here. Huh. Seems good enough. Let's put the lid back on. Hope everything's alright now. I want to power this baby up because there's storms coming. screw in here. I have no idea where the other screw is. On the floor, as always. And please don't do that again. Please, please, please. Oh, come on! That's stupid. Are you trolling me? That's not nice. That's not nice. Behave yourself. Ah, damn. What is going on here? Oh. I don't understand because I don't see anything that might took care of this. That's some weird stuff. Thing is, I can feel pressure while putting this thing on, but have no idea what is touching in there. Okay. Let's just put in one screw. Good. Now the other. Okay, I didn't do anything. Yep. Look at how cool that blue blink is. Look at how cool that is. Okay, time to power it up on the balcony. And connect it to the big antenna. Can't even remember if I showed this before or not. The thing is, I'm showing the same things on my local language channel too, so Just put some grounding wire, made an antenna out of it, put it through this drain here and all the way outside. Come on, off you go. Come on. Out. Out. He's cute. All the way down here. It's several feet long. Well above the needed length. Doesn't seem to be a bad choice. Now let's connect the antenna. Ultimately it will have a place in here, like on the wall like this or somewhere, you know, but as long as I'm still testing it, that's just fine. Forgot I need to bring this power cable here because this one is not. I still have to twist it manually. If everything works as it's expected, I'll deal with this cable too. For now, I just want to see the damn thing work. You know what I mean? This is a really poor connection. Hell with it, I'm cutting the wires. That's enough. Okay, this one's minus. And minus goes to minus. This one's a plus. It goes to plus. Power it off. Power in. Maybe put it on this side. Power on. Do some testing. Oh. It works with the lights though. Turning the lights on and off usually does it. It's not as sensitive now. What the hell happened? Maybe it's that antenna potentiometer. Oh, this one works. Well, it seems to work. I have another lamp inside and it used to work with this one. But probably because it was closer, as it was on the desk and also had the concrete wall between. So maybe it doesn't get that much of a signal out of that all the way the outside of the building. Then this balcony light here gets every single time. So all I have to do is wait for the storm. It's about almost 2 p.m. That's when they say it's gonna start. I can already see some storm clouds. That's just the dirt on the window. Come on. Oh, come on. These cameras, man. That's the clouds. Far away, but they can surely come in close in a few minutes. I'll just have to wait and see. For now, it looks pretty calm, and the tests show that it's working. I really like that blue square. Right, oh, if I haven't destroyed it now, nah, I just got disconnected here. I'll see you later with an update. Hopefully we'll get a good storm and see how it behaves then. Thanks for watching.